get ready with me kasi gagawa tayo ng makeup look. Last duty natin for work today kasi magma-maternity leave na tayo. By the way, I'm using Saipo. And this is a moisturizing gel. I like using this one because it really hydrates and plumps my skin. Next is to prep my lips. I'm using this Everbella na serum tinted lip balm. So this is in the shade Her. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Like, meron na siyang tint. At the same time, lip balm na din siya. So I just like it to tap it like this. Ayan. Look at my lips. It's so moisturizing. Sobrang excited ako mag-maternity leave kasi ang dami kong gagawin, especially dito sa bahay. Ang dami kong gustong gawin dito sa bahay. I need to prepare the house for the new baby. So ayan guys, tapos na akong mag-skincare. Only key lang talaga para maganda yung base mo. You have to do your skin prep. Well, pinapatuyo ko yan. I'm going in with my kilay. Of course, I'm using this one. This is from Dia. I'm just feeling the sparse areas of my brows. Para kapag matuyo na yung skincare mo, pwede ka nang maglagay ng base. Next is color corrector. So I'm using the Get Ready With Me. Simula na na-try ko to, hindi ko na talaga to tinigilan. I like how easily this one blends and hide my dark circles. Actually, bago ko lang talaga itong binili. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money para, alam mo yun. So, this is what the packaging looks like. It's so luxe, like, alam mo yun, sobrang ganda. I choose the 03 petal. I don't know if shade match ko siya. So, try natin siyang spatula. Actually, dapat kapag skin tint, hindi na dapat i-spatula, pero, alam mo yun. I just wanted to see. We'll see its coverage kasi sobrang hype nito sa TikTok, grabe. Even ako napabili. So, let's start to blend this out. It has medium to buildable coverage. Ayan siya sa skin. Medyo maputi na talaga siya. It says na long-lasting daw tong skin tint na to at it has Qualin for hydration. True to its claim, maganda yung skin tint. Like, kumakapit talaga siya sa skin and doesn't look patchy. It feels like my skin is so hydrated. Grabe, pag up close, sobrang ganda niya sa skin. Like, uy, highly recommend. Next, I'm going in with my bronzer. This is from EC in the shade Molten. Like, sobrang ganda nitong bronzer na to because it brings back the warmth in my face. Like, look at that. Oh, diba? This is with and without. Sobrang flat ng face ko dito. Well, this one, meron siyang dimension. Next is for the blush. I'm using the Visco On The Daily Multi-Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Forever Charming. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Once you blend this out, like, sobrang ganda talaga. Very natural lang yung atake. Like, look at that. Diba? And then we're going in with the concealer. This is actually from the Sam. Matagal ko na itong hindi nagagamit. And gamitin natin siya today. Here lang. And then here. The tip of the nose. Start to blend it out. Like here. Gusto ko lang na malipis yung pagkaka-makeup ko today. Kasi I don't want it to be heavy. Let's blend this concealer. Let's set our face with this Vice Cosmetic Universal Fix Setting Powder. This is so nice, guys. Like, nakaka-blur talaga to. Like, look at that. This is with and without. Powder bronzer. So, this is from Barry M. Ang ganda nito, guys. Like, look at that. This one feels like a sun-kissed vibe. Like, look at that. And for my powder blush, I'm going to use this DYS in the shade Perfectly Peach. Like here lang. Sa apples of my cheeks. To give that rosy glow. Like here. Para mawala yung powderiness, I'm going to spray it with my Dalva First Spray Serum. For my lips, I'm going to use the Sunny's Face Lip Tracer in the shade Smooth. Overline my lips like this. So we're gonna use some eyeliner. Putting some wing here. And then connect it to the inner. To set my whole face, I'm going to use this 24-hour lock from Visco. Bago ako mag-mascara at saka mag-lipstick. This will lock your whole makeup like as in 24 hours talaga. I'm going in with my favorite lipstick and this is from Vice Cosmetic. Velvet Soft Lip Bullet. And I like this one so much because it's a diffuse lip bullet and then it doesn't emphasize my lip lines. Sobrang ganda lang din ito. No wonder talaga na hype to sa TikTok. Like, look at that. So fresh. Going in with my mascara. So here's our final look. What do you guys think? Sobrang clean at easy lang siyang gawin. So see you all guys in my next one. Bye!